ang suot ninyo. Ang palis niyang sapatos, kung kailangan i-shine. Okay? O ikaw nagpapainit ng tubig, ilagay mo na doon para painit mo na lang bukas. Pero huwag mong sabihin na gawin yung sabi ng estudyante ko, Sir, wali bang itutbrush mo na ngayong gabi para bukas, ha? Ha? Make your tomorrow tonight. In advance, lagi. Advance, hindi po natin catching up lagi. Walang mangyayari sa akin. Okay? At least mayroon kang time allowance. In case na may adjustment, you have time allowance. Yeah? Basic formula yan. But of course, dapat alamin mo ano bang activities ko bukas. Kasi doon ka mag-prepare. Halimbawa, you will be having your presentation tomorrow. Of course, prepare natin. Basahin mo na. So that spontaneously you will be able to deliver what is expected and even exceed what is expected from you. Preparation. Yeah? There are 3 lines about preparation. In the Bible, Noah had built the ark when the flood was not yet there. Hindi naman nandun na yung flood, kaya lang gagawa si Noah ng arko. It took him how many days to do it before the flood came? One former president of the United States would always say as part of his popular line, if you were to give me 8 hours to chop down a tree, I'll make use of the first 6 hours to sharpen the axe. Pagbibigyan mo ako ng 8 oras para i-cut natin yung punong yan. Putulin natin yung punong yan. Gagamitin ko yung unang 6 na oras para patalasin ko ang aking kain. This is part of your preparation. Yeah? And of course, palagi nating binabanggit, when you fail to prepare, prepare to fail. No matter how good you are. When you fail to prepare, prepare to fail. And that's why every day we have 2 kinds of persons. Number 1, one who is repairing. And number 2, one who is preparing. And the difference between today and next year is 365 times. And the power of preparation. Goals are different from wishes. Wish ko lang na ganito. Ang wish walang timeline. Goal has a timeline. Goal has a timeline. Wish has a timeline. Okay? Wish mo lang. Pwede mo. Kung may plano ka, you have a target date. You have a target time. Be intentional, hindi yung napipilitan. Ginagawa mo because you know that it's really part of your personal culture. Okay? Sana walang napilitan nagpunta dito para mag-seminar.